In this video, we're diving into how to train an AI bot to answer customer questions the right way, not with clunky replies or generic responses, but with real helpful answers that make your customers feel taken care of. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter systems, faster workflows, and better AI tools to support your business. Let's break it down. Why AI bots matter more than ever. We've all had bad experiences with bots. You type in a question and it replies with something that makes no sense, or worse, just loops you in circles until you give up. But when they're done right, AI bots can do amazing things. They answer instantly. They work 24/7. They never forget a policy or miss a detail, and they can cut support costs dramatically. The trick is training them right, not just turning them on and hoping for the best. Whether you're a solo founder trying to automate support or a team lead building out a larger system, there are also tools like Lindy that act more like a personal AI assistant, helping you handle emails, schedule follow-ups, and even answer support requests automatically. Now, while it's not a traditional chatbot, Lindy's great if you're looking for a quick setup that still feels personal and responsive. Now, step one, know what you want the bot to do. Before you touch any tools or training data, step back and ask a basic question. What exactly do I want this bot to handle? Depends on your business. Start by listing your top 10 most common customer questions. You can check past emails, support chats, DMs, anywhere people have reached out with help requests. These common issues will form the foundation of your chatbot's training. If you only do one thing from this video, do this. Don't skip the planning. It makes everything else so much easier. Step 2, collect real customer data. The best way to train a bot is with actual conversations that you've had with real customers. Start pulling together your old chat transcripts, email exchanges, support tickets, and FAQ pages. Copy and paste them into one document if needed. You'll want to clean things up a bit, remove personal data, fix grammar, and break long replies into smaller chunks. The goal here is to give your AI a realistic picture of how your customers talk. Step 3, organize the data into intents, entities, and utterances. Okay, here's where we get a little more technical, but we'll keep it simple. Intent is what the customer wants, like track my order or reset my password. Entities are the details in that request, like order numbers, dates, names, or product types. Utterances are all the different ways someone might say the same thing. Your job is to group all these together in your training data. It doesn't have to be perfect, just consistent. Step 4, train your bot with AI. Now comes the fun part. Once you've organized your data, it's time to train your chatbot. If you're using a tool like Dialogflow, Denser.ai, or Rasa, you can upload your intents and utterances directly into the system. These tools use natural language processing, or NLP, to help the bot learn how to respond. Some tools let you upload your FAQ page or even crawl your website to pull content in automatically. Denser.ai, for example, lets you build a bot trained on your actual docs, help pages, and PDFs without any coding. The more quality examples you give the bot, the better it performs. Step 5, test it and break it on purpose. Once your chatbot is trained, don't assume that it's ready to go live. You need to test it a lot. Try typing in weird versions of questions, add typos, use slang, ask things out of order. Your goal is to see where it struggles, and more importantly, how it struggles. When the bot gives a wrong or weird answer, go back into your training data and add that failed question as a new utterance. Over time, your bot will get smarter, just like a human would from learning on the job. Step 6, keep it updated and smarter. Your business changes, so should your bot. Make a habit of reviewing chatbot conversations once a week. Look for new questions that weren't answered well. Then add them into the training data and retrain the model. Tools like HighLevel let you do this directly inside the platform, and platforms like Hiver make it easy to manage shared inboxes and collaborate on support tickets without even leaving Gmail. It even uses automation to categorize and assign emails, which can work hand in hand with your chatbot by ensuring that anything the bot can't handle gets passed to the right human fast. Don't worry about getting everything perfect at once. Think of this as an ongoing feedback loop. Train, test, update, repeat. Bonus tip, use public docs and web pages. If you want to level up your bot fast, then you can feed it more than just your chat logs. Some tools let you plug in public links, like your help docs, return policy page, or product manuals. That means you can skip rewriting everything and just give the AI access to what you've already created. Training an AI bot might sound complicated, but it really comes down to a few simple steps. Know what you want the bot to handle. Gather real customer data data. Organize it by intent, entity, and utterances. Train the model using tools that support NLP. Test the heck out of it. Keep updating it with new examples. And if you follow this process, you'll end up with a bot that doesn't just sound smart, it is smart. It answers faster, learns with every interaction, and actually helps your customers instead of frustrating them. Now, if you want a shortcut, platforms like Denser.ai are great places to start. We'll leave links for you down in the description below if you want to check it out. And if you want to get started with any of the other AI tools or platforms that we talked about today, you will also find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. Supporting the channel this way really helps us creating practical, beginner-friendly content to help you learn and leverage AI. So if you use them, we thank you, and we truly appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future update. Here on AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve, whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious about what AI can do. Thanks again for watching. We'll go ahead and see you in the next video.